Hello, today we will learn about refraction and index of refraction, which is also called refractive index. So in this slide, you can see light passes from air to glass and back to air, from air to water. This is refraction. The light passes through a prism is also refraction. The sparkling of diamond is because of refraction. So what is refraction of light basically? So refraction is the change in speed and direction when light enters one medium from other medium. This is three beakers here. Each beaker has a straw. Now question for you is number one, in which beaker does the straw appear to be broken? Number two, are all the amounts of the break the same? Now the answer is in all the beakers there is break, or the straws appear to be broken. Now, number two answer is the the breaks are not same but the different. You can see the bending is different. Why? Because the three beakers have different liquids. So let's back to the definition again. So refraction is the change in speed when light passes from one medium to other, for example, from air to water or from water to air, water to glass or glass to water, like this. So when it happens, the change in speed and the direction take place. Here are the three images. You see air water, air glass, air diamond. What do you think is the least dense medium here? And what do you think is the most dense medium here? Is the water most dense and the diamond medium dense and the glass least dense? No, actually the diamond is the most dense medium. Water is least dense, then the glass and then the diamond, and the glass is in the middle in terms of dense. You see, less dense, less bending. Most dense diamond has most bending. As a result, the angle of refraction here is 32 degree, which is more than the angle of refraction 17 degree, which is the least. Now here are two questions for you. Here, what a light enters from air to water, and here opposite happens. Light enters from water to air. Now the question is, light bends towards or away from the normal? And the question number two, light bends towards or away from the normal? Answer slide is this. In this case, you can see light bends towards the normal. This is normal. Normal is a perpendicular to the surface of the boundary. Perpendicular, it means a line which makes 90-degree angle. So this line makes 90-degree angle to this surface. Now, when light enters from air to the water, it's supposed to go to straight if there is no water. But because of the presence of water, there is refraction or bending, and that is towards the normal. You can see it is supposed to be going straight, but it is moving towards the normal. And here it is opposite. It is supposed to go to this original path, but no, it is moving away from the normal. So this is the difference. When light enters from rare to denser, it moves towards the normal. When light enters from denser to rare, it moves towards, not towards, but away from the normal. Here is index of refraction, the next topic of the video, which is refractive index also. I mean the name, two different names, but the same thing. So what is index of refraction? It's a unique number for each medium. For example, it is different for air, different for diamond, 2.42, it is for diamond. For air, it is 1. For glass, it is different, 1.5 approximately. So different medium have different index of refraction. This is the symbol or letter used to write index of refraction. And this is the formula or equation for the index of refraction, where c is the speed of light in the vacuum or air, and v is the speed of light in that particular medium about which you are talking the index of refraction. So v is the speed of light in that medium, in that particular medium, with the index of refraction. Now here let's grammar check. Singular form is index and plural is indices or indices. So if more mediums we are talking about, then we will use indices of refraction when one index of refraction. Now, Snell's law. Snell's law is a law given by German scientist. And this law is a relation between angles of incidence and refraction and the indices of refraction of the two mediums. So here is the law. N1 times sine theta 1 equal N2 times sine theta 2. I repeat, N1 multiplied by sine theta 1 equal N2 multiplied by sine theta 2. What is N1? N1 is the index of refraction of the first medium. What is N2? N2 is the index of refraction for the medium 2. Sine theta 1, what is theta 1? Theta 1 is the angle of incidence, and theta 2 is the angle of refraction. Now here is an example. Light travels from air into glass. So first medium is air and the second is glass. The angle of incidence is 30 degree. The index of refraction of glass is 1.52 and the index of refraction of air is 1.00. What is the angle of refraction? We need to calculate. We highlight the question to get the information easily and clearly. So I highlighted the light travels from air into glass. So the first medium air, second medium glass. That's why I have written N1 for index of refraction of the air, which is 1. And N2 as index of refraction of the glass as 1.52. Now the angle of incidence is 30 degree, which is theta 1, 30 degree. The index of reflection, I have highlighted this also. And the index of refraction of air, highlighted. The question, what is angle of reflection, highlighted. These are the steps, or these are the basic ideas how we can easily find. Now here is the equation or formula. We want sine theta 2, actually finally we want theta 2. So we take n to the other side, then it goes to the other side as a divide n2. See, now theta 2, we want theta 2, so sine will go to the other side as an inverse. You will use in the calculator sine inverse or shift button in the calculator. So it is sine inverse n1 multiplied by sine theta 1 divided by n2. Now I have put the values of n1 as 1 times sine 30 degree divided by 1.52. After simplifying, we get theta 2 as 19.2 degree. Thanks for watching the video.